Happy New Year. This is my first time talking. It's currently 1:51. I am sitting in the car because I am outside of this beauty supply store. I'm actually going in for an interview. My interview is at 2. I'm just trying to get a little job, a little something, especially with spring semester. That way I can stay my butt home and not jump in the car and go to Clemson every week. Why did it just get dark all of a sudden? Okay. But anywho, that's what I'm doing. It's kind of sprinkling out here. The vlog is starting late, as you guys heard me say. The time is at 1:51. And yeah, it's just a late vlog, but that's okay because we still have a bunch to do. We still have to get ready and like take baths and showers and get dressed and everything like that. So I'm super excited for tonight. The weather is so ugly. It's drizzling out here. Yuck. So yeah, fingers crossed we just have a good night. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in. It's 1:52 now. Nikki and Tabana are at the apartment. They haven't even started getting ready yet, and I keep trying to adjust the lighting because what the... But yeah, by the time you guys see this, I didn't even mention the date. It's of course December 31st. By the time you guys see this, it will be a new year. It will be January 1 of 2021. We are so excited. Yay. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit after, and then of course once I get back. I do have to run to Walmart to get Sky some food, and then I'll be back to the apartment. But of course I'll update you guys when I'm leaving.
A few moments later.
Y'all, I am back and I got hired. It is 2:12 and I was only there for 10 minutes. I got in the car, I had to scream a little bit. But yeah, I think I'm really gonna like it. The thing is, I was supposed to be going to Miami for the Natty, but I start next week. Oh my gosh! A lot of my friends are leaving like Thursday of next week. Yeah, Thursday of next week. So I mean, if me and my sisters, if we still want to go, then like if they're okay with leaving Sunday, you know, then that's fine with me. Then we can still go. But other than that, like I can't. And then of course we'd be back like Tuesday. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I have to run to Walmart really fast, like I said, to get Sky's food, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys. So I forgot to vlog when I got back to the apartment. Well, it was drizzling a little bit when I left the interview, so I stopped by my apartment to grab an umbrella, and then I drove to Walmart. But I'm actually leaving Walmart right now. I got my baby her food, her big bag of food, and then I had to get a banana because it's a mask that I saw on TikTok that I want to do, and I need a banana for it. So yeah, it is 2:41, and I asked my friends what time are we pre-gaming, and they said that they're starting early, like 7, and that's really early. That's super duper early. So I have my tripod, which is super long, so I know that I'm vlogging and driving, which is not good, but I'm paying attention to the road. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the apartment, change out of this, put on some comfy clothes. And I don't even know what I'm wearing like exactly. I'm doing eyeshadow, and I never do eyeshadow, so you already know your girl gotta get ready 3 hours before. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be home in 2 minutes. I will update you guys when I get there. I made it inside. I think I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, talk to my sisters, figure out what we're doing. What time we're gonna start getting ready. Hey baby, here she is. Hey mama. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I still haven't changed. It's 3:25. I'm currently making us some broccoli. I made dinner last night, so there was extra left over, and then I need to throw my dark clothes in the washer. Let me see. I'm gonna do a quick outfit change. This is what I changed into. a jacket. Nothing special. Okay, so I don't feel like putting any earrings in. Forgot to grab my dark clothes. But yes, once I get done eating, we're gonna figure out what time we're gonna start getting ready. Because like I said, I'm trying out a whole new look. I'm gonna shut up because this is about to be so obnoxious. Surprisingly, I didn't have any light clothes. I just had whites and crap. And throwing all of this in the dryer. Turn it on. Now. Yeah, so that started. Let's see. I'm about to grab our broccoli out so we can eat something really fast. I'm about to eat. Okay, so I took my hair down. It's currently 4:18. My friend said that some of them are already drinking and that we're leaving at 8:45 and that's super early to me. So we'll see though. But yeah, let me go and play my music in. Get it started. Okay, so we have on a face mask. I'm really kind of scary, but it is 5:07. We're doing pretty good on time. I have already showered, whitened my teeth. I put on this face mask. So I have this sitting. I have lathered my body in Jergens and body oil. So I have on like this kind of shirt. My arms pretty much soak up the oil and stuff, but my legs take forever to soak up the oil. So I am just going to let that sit. Nikki's in the shower right now. Tavana's in the shower. What I'm about to do is go ahead and get everything out that I need, like jewelry, dress, everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. When you guys see me next, it will be most likely once this is off and when I'm about to start doing my makeup. Okay, so I rinsed my mask off. My face is moisturized. I'm gonna moisturize it again before I do my makeup. But I wanna go ahead and do my edges. That way they can sit while I do my makeup. All right, so those are pushed back. I don't swoop my edges, no. I'm about to go ahead and put on my dress, and then what I might do is put this shirt back on. That way I can just take it off, you know, just in case makeup starts to spill everywhere, it doesn't get on my dress. This is my first time doing like an eyeshadow look, so I'm gonna have to pull up the YouTube video. So I want to focus, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse. Yeah, I do a time lapse of everything, but I'm gonna clean all this up and then we're gonna start. Okay, so we're gonna open the champagne first. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the vlog on my phone, but I am ready. I actually had on a totally different outfit. I'll insert the video. But I ended up changing because the dress kept rising, and then we just want to be a little more comfortable. So I'm not bringing my camera out there for it to go missing. But yeah, let's go have us a great night. Okay, so it's currently 3:30 in the morning. Getting some food. Happy New Year. We have Sky with us. She will not shut up. Please don't mind my shirt. Backwards and inside out. We are so tired. We're gonna go to sleep. I don't know if this will be the end of this vlog. What I'm gonna do in the morning is like edit what I have so far, and then once I edit what I have, then I'm going to see if I need to vlog a little bit tomorrow. Tomorrow is Clemson, the Clemson versus Ohio game. That's the bowl game. And so yeah, I don't know if we're gonna hang out at Lindsay's or if we're gonna go to Atlanta. I have a little headache from this milkshake. I'm to suck it so hard. I'm tired. Alright, here that goes. Hey, vlogging. We're going to sleep.